right, number 7. You're going to use the y-intercept and the coefficient to match the equation up with the graph. So here's interesting enough. The y-intercept in standard form, the y-intercept is just the constant, which is this. So it is the point 0, comma, -3. Okay. Then here's the a value. A is equal to 4. So it's going to open up. So far it's the first one, second one, or third one because they're both opening up. We just have to look for that y-intercept of 0, 0, comma, -3. Oh, it looks like it's two of them. It's the middle, it's the second one or the last one. Notice that this is a 4. So this is going to be very tall, right? Because of the vertical stretch. So therefore this one is going to be the f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3. Right? Let's do the next one. Okay, here's the constant, and that is going to be giving us the y-intercept. So that's also going to be parentheses 0, comma, -3. This is the a value, so a is equal to 1, 4. This is going to be very fat because of the vertical compression, and this is also going to open up. And that would be the last one here, because again, it's the same y-intercept at 0, comma, -3. It is very fat and it opens up. So this is the f of x is equal to 1/4 x squared minus 3. Next one, let's find the y-intercept here. So the y-intercept is the value of 0, comma, 3. And then a, which is 4. This is going to be very tall. And it's going to open up. All right? And that would be this one. The first one. F of x is equal to 4x squared plus 3. The last one. Here is the c value. This is the coefficient, the constant. So that is the y-intercept at 0, comma, -3. Okay. The a value is this one. So a is equal to -1/4. This is very fat because it's a fraction and it is negative. So it's going to open downwards. And the only one for that one would be our third one. F of x is equal to -1/4x squared minus 3. So there you go.